Welcome. In front of me is an LG Wing, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, and you should see your SD card right at the bottom, so tap on it. It will open up the storage. From here, you want to choose the three dots and go to Storage Settings. And from here you will see the format option. So let's tap on it. It will give you a message that performing this will basically remove everything from the SD card, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand or you will lose it permanently. So assuming you have already backed up your SD card or you don't want to, tap on Format. The process will immediately begin. It only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on Done and you completely finish with the process. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.